Hey, what's up, and thanks for clicking in. My name is Jason, and I am super excited today. Have my beautiful wife, Carissa, back ready to make another video.
Hi, guys.
So you've been begging me for like a couple months now to make another video, get back on the screen. And I've kind of been like holding you off a little bit, but I thought today was like a perfect day to get going with that. So are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
So anyways, what we're gonna do today, babe, I thought it would be a good idea to show people exactly what it looks like to buy cryptocurrency. And I know you've never personally bought cryptocurrency.
No, not yet.
Well, yeah, let's show everybody what it looks like, and we're gonna show you what it looks like as well. So we're gonna jump into your phone. I'm gonna walk you through step by step exactly what it looks like to buy cryptocurrency. All right, babe, now let's have a little bit of fun. So you got that link that I sent you?
I have it right here.
Excellent, excellent. So you'll start off by putting in your email address, and that'll get you started with the sign up process. So go ahead and do that. Don't worry, babe, I'm gonna block it out so no one can see. And while she's doing that, I just want you to know we're signing up with crypto.com, and I'm gonna leave the same link that she's signing up with below. And when you do sign up, I'm gonna show you guys this. You're gonna get $50 to start off your account.
So it's saying to download the app. It says, congrats, you're almost there. Download the app.
And that's exactly what you want to do. So go ahead and do that now. All right, so now you got the app all downloaded, and now we're going to continue the sign up process. So start, babe, by clicking the sign up button, the blue one there at the bottom.
Okay, sign up.
Perfect. And it's going to take you through some of their promotional products. We're not going to go too much into them, but yeah, go through this. Just asking for your email one more time. Go ahead.
Okay, check your email.
Perfect. And we'll do that, and we'll be right back. All right, so once you get that verification email, you're gonna wanna click log into crypto.com. It's gonna take you to this screen right here, babe. It's gonna prompt you to open up the crypto.com app, and that's exactly what you're gonna do. So hit that open button.
Okay.
And then it should open the app. Perfect. Your email address is confirmed. You're gonna wanna tap the screen to move forward, and then it's gonna ask you for a verification phone number. So go ahead and type in your phone number. It's gonna send you an SMS message to go ahead and verify. And there you go.
Oh,
and
nice.
Now you've verified. And you'll hit the green screen one more time to move forward.
Okay. Yes.
Boom.
Government regulations require us to know more about you.
Perfect. So you're going to have to do what they call a KYC check, or know your customer. For me, some people get a little bit iffy about this. I think if you're not doing anything shady, it's more for anti-money laundering purposes, but they do want to know a little bit more about their customers. So go ahead through the first option here.
Continue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Full legal name.
Yeah.
Middle name.
Yeah.
Select the type of document you wish to scan.
So we're going to handle this right now, guys, and we will get right back to you. All right, so we went ahead and scanned the documents and uploaded, and we are confirmed to go. They said they're going to notify us, but they actually just went ahead and notified us. So, baby, tap the screen to continue.
Okay.
Verification is approved, so that's good. And tap it one more time. And then it wants you to set a passcode. And so this passcode is what you're going to use when you're transferring money. So it's important to set a passcode that's something that you're going to remember. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to confirm, and then you will be into the app. Cool. Press the screen.
Okay.
And depending where you are, you're going to want to select the default country or currency. We're in the United States, so go ahead and USD. Perfect. Confirm.
Confirm.
Excellent.
Okay.
And then it prompts you to go ahead and get the crypto.com wallet. I have a separate video on the crypto.com wallet. We're not going to do anything with that today, so you can actually X out of there.
Okay.
And I'll leave the link to the crypto.com wallet in the description below. But babe, right now we are into your account. So this is your crypto.com account.
It looks sad.
Why does it look sad?
Because there's zero.
There is no money in there. But you know what? You are due a $50 bonus once we complete the setup process. So we're back at your home screen, and you can see that you do have some money now in your account.
Woohoo!
It's called knowing the right people, babe. But if you go actually where it says MCO right there and click on that,
okay.
So you have right now 12.07 MCO, but scroll down a little bit, babe. Just scroll.
Okay, hold on. You said $50. There's $49.24.
Yeah.
Where's the rest?
So they've credited you 12.07 MCO because that was $50 in MCO at the time that you signed up. So MCO, like other currencies, fluctuates. So, that could be 51 by the time we're done with this video. But right now it is 49.24.
Okay.
So I'm not a liar, but
right.
that's what it
Okay.
is. But scroll down a little bit. I just want to show you and show everybody else. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. You're going to see that actually says that wemoney is locked.
Okay.
And they don't just give you the $50. It's kind of a I scratch your back, you scratch my back type of thing. So we're going to walk through the process of what it actually takes to unlock that. So click back.
Okay.
And you'll see they have these different MCO Visa cards right here in the middle. So you're going to want to apply now.
Is this a credit card?
It's not a credit card. It's a prepaid debit card with some amazing benefits. And what you're going if you scroll up and down here, you have the cards listed on top. So right now you're actually looking at the Rose Gold Visa.
I like the Rose Gold.
I know you do. It's also one of the highest ones. Gives the most benefits, but you also have to stake the most currency to use that one. And by stake currency, staking essentially is you're holding up some currency in exchange for the benefits that they're giving you. So the one we're going to pick today, and I know you love rose gold, but we're going to do that ruby steel. So if you click on the ruby steel, you'll see the ruby steel gives you a 2% cash back on all purchases. Also gives you 100% Spotify reimbursement. And that's nice. So if you use this card to pay for your Spotify, each time that you do that in real time, it's going to credit you back for Spotify. Also 2% on the purchase. Additionally, Crypto.com right now, for the next 3 months, is giving 10% cash back on food purchases. Places like Costco and Safeway and Kroger. So that's really nice as well.
That.
Yeah, so that's really good.
What does without MCO stake and with MCO stake mean?
That's a good question. So toggle to the left without the MCO stake. You only get the 1% cash back. You get no Spotify. So that's if you didn't want to put up any cryptocurrency. You just wanted the card. You don't have to put up any crypto at that point. Stake any cryptocurrency, and they will just still give you the 1% cash back. So it's still nice there if you don't want to stake any cryptocurrency. But slide it over one more time because we're going to stake cryptocurrency. This is your first time. I'm going to send you some cryptocurrency so you can stake it and you can get these benefits.
Okay.
So go ahead and hit the next button.
Select?
Yep. Cool. Takes you to this page right here.
You have 4 more steps to finish. Continue.
Continue.
And then purchase. It says 50 MCO.
So you need to get 50 MCO. So go ahead and hit that button there.
Here?
Mm-hmm. So this is asking you how you want to purchase your 50 MCO. All right, so you will want to enter a credit card. We've taken care of that right now. I do want to note that you are locking up this MCO for 180 days. That is the stake that you're doing to get these rewards that they've offered. Adding a credit card just like everything else, and you're going to want to go ahead and lock up that crypto, babe.
Okay.
It's going to tell you 0 fees, which is good. They're not charging any fees. Go ahead and hit confirm.
Okay.
Enter in the PIN that you set at the beginning. Go ahead and do that.
Okay.
And then it'll process the transaction.
Processing, loading. Got it.
And we are set. You're staking 50 MCO for 6 months. And that's what we've committed to do. Hit the next. And now we're going to continue the application process for the MCO Visa card. So this is a prepaid Visa card where you're going to get that 2% cash back. You're also going to get to use it for your Spotify membership to get that reimbursement. So go ahead and agree to terms.
Okay. Confirm.
And confirm again. And now it's just going to want to do an address verification.
Okay. So I have to put in my address?
Absolutely. All right, and we are completely verified now. Great. Now you are confirmed. You have a MCO Visa card that's on the way to you, and I want you to go back to your accounts now.
Okay.
And then go into your crypto wallet.
Crypto wallet.
Go into your MCO. And then scroll down. And you'll see that your sign-up bonus is now unlocked. All right, Bob, so now we are looking at your MCO page, And you have 62.07 MCO, which is about $255. So if you scroll down just a little bit, I want you to see the breakdown of how that works out. So you see your transaction history right there. You had your locked MCO, which is now unlocked MCO after we transferred you the money. You have your 50 MCO that is staked and untouchable for the next 179 days.
Okay.
And then that 12.07, you're free to do whatever you want with that. That's the sign up bonus that you got. You can convert that to other cryptocurrencies. You can spend that when you get your MCO card, which is coming in the mail. You can transfer it over there and spend that if you want.
Okay.
So whatever you want to do with that, it's yours.
Cool.
So that's the crypto.com app. There's other features as well, but I just wanted to show you a little bit. And,
I'm excited to keep track and look.
Yeah, it's fun to play with. It goes up, it goes down.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations, babe. You are the proud owner of cryptocurrency.
Thank you. Cheers.
So I think it was probably easier than you thought.
Yeah, a lot easier.
And no, I really appreciate you taking the time, making this video, showing everybody how to do it. Super simple. If you have questions, please leave a comment below. I will respond. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see my wife do more videos, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to like it below. Thanks again, guys. Be safe.
Be safe.
Cheers.
Cheers.